Hello guys, uh, this tutorial I want discuss about WordPress menu. So here we have menu itself and the pages, like one page and sections. So I deleted all pages and all links. Here we have just home. So what we can do, what we can make with this home. So I want to make it fixed first of all. Give an anchor point, and when you scroll down it won't disappear. So second step, I want to make sub menus here in home. So when you press on one of the sections of the home and it goes there, for example working process, etc. So what we have to do, first step, you just downloading the plugin My Sticky Menu from official site. If you are working in localhost, if you are working in your website and you have hosting and domain, you can make it in the WordPress in the dashboard. So if you are working in localhost, how I am doing, so you just go to the plugins My Sticky Menu and find and download it. I will give the link in the description below. So I have downloaded. I'm going to dashboard and upload this upload this plugin, sticky menu. Like I have already downloaded, so upload plugin, find the plugin itself. I have here My Sticky Menu. So open it and install now. It's free and you can. I always using this plugin. So activate plugin. So here we have wonderful design of this plugin. So here we have disable at small screen sizes, make visible on scroll at home page. So it's disable at small screen sizes. If it's mobile, it will disable. So here we have 0 pixels. Here we have sticky opacity. I will leave it 90 because a little bit. We have to look at content first of all, then we need a menu. Here we have the path, the ID. Of course our menu will be in the header, site header, so it's make it automatically. So here we have sticky background color and sticky text color. So if you want, for example, let me make it from here. Let it down from here and paste it. Let me choose this one, background color and sticky text color. I don't think that it's a good idea to make. No, it's okay. Slide, fade or slide effect. Let me make it fade. Slide, it's depend on you. Let me fade and just save. So let it saving. So setting, save. So we are going to our site and we have this wonderful sticky menu. So we don't need to scroll up and find our menu to make changes on your website. It's really useful plugin. So the next thing that I want to mention, it's about going dashboard. Let me create menu with pages and I want to make sub menus. Like go to appearance, go to menus, menu. Let me make it menu, create menu, primary menu, save menu. So we have created it. Actually, let me make it from here. customize, menus, menu, add items, page, home. Then we go into page about. Let me make it from capitalize it, about. So works. So for example, team, and contact us. I have already create pages, but I need submenus. So submenus where you can go in your particular page. So if I want to join the home, like for example, you have to make this process. You making, like, let me give ID, URL, working process. We have here the section with working process and link working process, add to menu, and this menu we will put here under the home. Let me make it another one. For example, these pictures, let's say what can be, for example, bestseller one, best seller. For example, let me make it here, but in URL you have to put hashtag and give the URL best seller without space. So best seller, and not here, under the home. Also you can put it here in working process, sub menu. It's easy. So the first step we have done. So let me publish it. Here we have working process, bestseller. Let's wait a little. So if you see here, if I press on it, nothing is happening. Why? Because we have to give ID. If you learn something in JavaScript, you have to know about it. If you give ID and do some manipulation with it. So that's why we're going to Elementor. This is the first way that you can do. For example, working process. You just tap on this button, go to advanced, and here in CSS ID, you just press working process. So without hashtag, working process. So let me update it. Working process. We wrote right. So let me give ID to this section also. Going to advanced, CSS ID. So we are giving him, for example, what we say best seller without hashtag. So let me update again and go to look what we got. Localhost. Here we have working process, and voila, we go into working process. If we want to go bestseller, we go into bestseller and look at his works or his face. You see it, and we can also. Maybe I want going into from bestseller or working process. I think bestseller must be in the top and working process must be under the bestseller. So, and let me make another thing. Let me give ID to this one also. For example, up, just up. So we update it. Going to menus. Let me exit to dashboard. Local WordPress, customize, menu. Let me change the, and I need some changes here. Let me give ID hashtag up, link text, go up. For example, it's an example. You can make it yourself and make it at the top. So go up, the section 1, bestseller section 2, and work in progress section 3. So let me publish it, and let me go bestseller, let me go work in process, and I need to go up. So guys, here we are, and see you in next tutorials. Subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.